What's poppin' YouTube? It's your girl May Banks and welcome back to my channel. And for today we're doing a very quick, very cute little unboxing, and I'm going to show you two different ways that I put my contacts in. Well, technically one way that I put my contacts in, and the second way I'm actually going to do it the way that you're supposed to put it on, because I'm just now finding out that there's like a little contraption that sucks up the contact and just in there, and I don't do that. I just go. So I'm gonna show you how I put my contacts in. We're gonna do a little cute little unboxing. We're gonna see what type of contacts I got. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell because YouTube does not see when I post, and I really want to see when I post and part of this whole experience with me. And also, don't mind this wig. It's looking all crazy, but it's alright because we're gonna do our makeup later. We're gonna look very oogly boogly spookily. But yeah, let's just get started with this video. So I basically ordered 3 contacts. I ordered one for myself, well, 2 for myself and one for my best friend. My best friend got like a brown, I think it was called Himalayan gray, but it was a brown, which made no sense to me. I'm kind of confused on that with the, because I don't know. But I ordered him the Himalayan gray, I believe. I'm not sure if I always mess up, I always put the little names on the sides. So, and I put the pricing on the sides as well. So it was that one. It was Euro American gray for me, which looks more like a blue. The reason why I bought it was because I follow some girl on TikTok who usually uses that same color contact, and I really love this. So I don't know how it's gonna look on me. Hopefully it looks the same. I don't know. And then the last one, I got the mini SCLERAs because I already have the large, like normal black SCLERAs, which cover the whole eyeball. But the thing is, one of them actually tore, so I'm gonna have to get a replacement. I have to also order that, which I found out is only 17 bucks to basically get an order of a new replacement. So I'll do that later on. But for now, I got the mini ones because sometimes I want to wear the SCLERAs, but I don't want to have that full, but I still want to have like that big eye effect, which I love. So we're just gonna see how it looks today. I'm definitely going to probably grab those first, but I shouldn't. So this is how the box looks when you open it. You get the cute little Ttdeye type of card. It basically says like 101 free contacts. It gives you a cute little code, or it tells you, okay, it says post your video with the lenses to Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, and use the hashtag Ttdeye, which I have done. I've done it numerous times, and you guys don't even repost me. Y'all just left me on scene. I will leave. I have all the Carfax, baby. And I've used your contacts many times before. So give me the respect that I deserve, okay? Get a chance to win free contacts. I should. Oh. Anyways. Then it says to contact info@ttdeye.com to create your exclusive coupon code. When your code is used 5 times by yourself or by others, you can get a free pair of contact lenses. So I will definitely be, getting my own code, code Kamyleons, right? Y'all trying to do that? Code Kamyleons? Use code Kamyleons for 10% off. It might be active. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I might, hopefully by the end of this, feel me? Hopefully by the time I just said that, the code is actually going to be active, so who knows? Maybe. Feel me? So this is just like an information. This is actually stickers that comes with the box. It's just really cute. I might give these to my little, my nieces right here. Might let them have that. Feel me? These are cute little stickers right here. You like these? All right, don't take them out. Don't take them out yet. I want to choose one too. I might choose the eyeball.
I like the
I'm gonna put it on your face.
Oh nah. Okay, so yeah, anyways, so yeah, and then what I found was cute too, that it comes with this little adorable like blue type of heart glitter. So I thought this was really cute as well because I've been actually collecting like little glitters like this, so I felt like this was really nice. For me. So put this to the side for now. And it came with 3 cases, 2 yellow and 1 pink. Sorry, Ricky, but I'm keeping that pink one, and I'll give you a yellow one. So I'm keeping, what I'm trying to say. So these are really dope. And it comes with the actual little sucker thing that I was talking about. So I'll open one of those later on to show you guys. And then it comes with the 3 cases like this. I found it cute that they come in different types of boxes. What I actually don't like about it is that it doesn't say any names. So let's say if I bought two contacts that look kind of the same, I wouldn't know the difference. You feel me? And that kind of is like, you know what I'm trying to say? So I didn't really like that. Like, I was trying to find everywhere to figure out which one was which. Even when I opened it, like, all right, let's say this. I think this one is the, okay. See, I'm assuming these are Ricky's because they're more like with that little yellow, you know, type of vibe going on. And it looks sort of brown. Like, when you see it in the like case, it looks kind of brown. So I'm assuming these are his. So I'm gonna put these to the side, and then the other ones look more on the gray side, so I'm assuming those are mine. So yeah, so let's see if it actually tells you, like, what if I didn't know how to, feel me, what if I didn't know how to put these on? Like, you know, is it safe for me to just put them on straight out the box? Who knows? This kind of just says what it has. Period of use 1 year. Do contacts go bad after a certain amount of time? Because I usually just go with the flow. Let's say contents: 2 sterile hydrophilic daily wear contact lenses immersed in saline solution. To ensure that your contacts stay comfortable and your vision stay clear, ask your eye professional. To product instructions, see package insert inside of carton for complete instructions. And I don't see anything else. Doesn't really say anything. Yep, doesn't really say anything but just that. So this is for, I don't know if this is maybe to like pick in it or something, but you have like something like this, and then you have these. This is what you would use to, you know. So what I'm going to do is, I don't even want to put this on anything. No. What I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna rinse all this off, and I'm gonna put new solution in these. And I'm also going to rinse the contacts off of the solution that it already comes in, and I'll put it in the solution of mine, you know. And I'll be right back with that. Yeah, I'm going to do that just in case, because you just never know. You have to just be very safe and stuff. And I'm also going to, if this switches, don't mind it. It's because, you know, I have to charge my stuff. So I'll be right back. I'm going to go handle that. I'm going to try out this little sucky thing right here. So I guess what you're supposed to do is, I'm just gonna open this case right here, and you grab it on the side that, you know, it's the outer side, not the part that's actually touching your eye, the part that's projecting outside of the eye. You would grab onto that. I'm just gonna open. I've never done this before, I don't know.
You scared?
I like how y'all both said that at the same time. You scared? Let me get close. Wait, excuse me.
Okay, you're not gonna be okay. You are okay. Don't.
Oh my god, that feels so weird.
What happened?
How?
You can put it in your eye with your nails.
How is that even supposed to work?
You could put it in your eyes. What happened? It don't stick.
Yeah, it's clipped for that one.
Maybe a clip. That one.
I'm gonna put the contacts in how I usually put my contacts in. And it's a little like this, okay?
I'm moving it so you could your eyes better be okay. Not watery.
So the way that I do it is basically, I just end up in there, okay? So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna, first of all, if you a blinker, you better blink it off now. So I'll be rubbing my eyes a little bit, you know, I'll be getting ready, you know, because you gotta butter your eyeballs up, you know. My hands are already washed, so that's good, because, you know, you gotta be very sanitary. These are your eyes we're talking about. And I just like to take the contact out, you know, feel me? And I usually put it on my index or my middle finger. I lay it like this with the iris hole touching the finger and the rest up. I don't know how to really explain the shape, but yeah, I hold it like this. You know, do a little blow. Now with my other hands, I use it to stretch the top part of my eyeball out Sometimes I use the hand that I'm actually holding the contact in. I use the middle finger and the ring finger to kind of like stretch the bottom part of my eye. And I just kind of go in there. You feel me? But hold up, because you guys are in my face right now. And I can't really concentrate. Hold up. I'm gonna do it like this. Ready? We're gonna do it quick. We're gonna blink it out. And we're just gonna open up. And stick it in there.
There it is.
It's so cute. It is so cute. This mini SCLERA basically just like stretches your, you know, your eye a little more.
You're crying. You're crying.
No, I'm okay. But it's so cute. I like it too because it looks a little normal, but like it's like one of those. It's like one of those contacts.
Oh, the one more. What's the lipstick?
What, my lip gloss?
Yeah.
What, you trying to say my lips are cracked?
No, your lips is dry.
My lips is dry? Damn.
I'm gonna put it this way. Where is it?
Okay, hold up. I got you. Let her put it. She put it on last time. Okay. Here you go.
There you go. You need a lot than that.
Yeah, because my lips dry, right? At least you tell me the truth. That's how I know you real.
A lot, Miracle. Okay.
So this is my method. Ttdeye, I'm not gonna lie, if I'm doing it wrong, what you need to do is give me some instructions, because I didn't find no instructions. Okay, what's that? A little water droplet? What's that on the contact? This contact has like this little small thing in the corner. Damn, I wish you could see that. Is that safe?
That's watery or something. I don't know.
Is that like a tear in it? Something happens to my eyeball, I swear to God.
I don't know what happened.
Ooh, okay. You see how when it looks like this? This is when it's gonna work. Ready? Like that, yeah.
It's not working. There we go. Wait!
Oh, did I get it?
You did it!
I did it.
Yeah, you
I
just
did
need
it.
the black thing.
Oh, it looks so pretty. Look at me.
You're crying.
I low-key can't see. It looks blurry on this side compared to this. Why it look blurry? I'm lying. Oh, my eyesight look a little blurry.
You look cute with that one. Hello.
Am I blind? Am I gonna need glasses?
You need glasses.
Yo, I swear to God, I'm not even joking right now. It literally looks like, and then here it's like so clear. I don't know if it's the contact that's doing that or if it's just my eyesight in general.
You need black right there.
But it looks so pretty though. One day I just want to hear you say, I like you. But I'm more of a, you see how cute this one is? This is my good side anyways.
I love
But yeah,
everything.
that is how you put the contact on. That was a struggle. The packaging is cute. Instructions non-existent. I don't like the little. Y'all gonna have to tell me in the comments what is this for. I mean, I assume I've seen people use it to put it on, and I've seen people use it to take it off, and it's not working for me. So
Right here.
I'm just gonna put in the other black one so I can be able to do my makeup right after this video. I'll see you guys in my next one. You already know what to do. Feel me? Everything will be in the description box below. Sorry if the video is a little, you know what I'm trying to say. Sometimes you're gonna get that from me. Right now is one of those days.